I'm going to show you how to make grungy text in Photoshop super easy. Now, what you want to do is download an image. I got this from Unsplash, and all I got to do is just file, save as a PSD. I'm just going to save it in my downloads folder. I'm going to press save. Okay. Now I've got some text here, and I'm going to make sure that we displace it using a displacement map. It's going to give us this grungy natural feel. So I'm just going to create a solid color, make it black. So once you've saved that file, I'm going to go make sure that my text is rasterized. So I'm going to go to my text layer, right click, click rasterize type. Then I'm going to go to filter, go down to distort and click displace. I'm going to change the scale to like 15 and this to around 7. And then you can leave the other ones as is. I'm going to press OK. And then I'm going to locate that image that I just saved. So I saved it as untitled. And it's going to use that paint texture to basically displace the pixels of the text here. And you can see it makes it super grungy. And you know, we can experiment and play around with that, but I think that looks really dope. Gives it a nice grungy texture. If we want it, we can do it again and again to even add more of that texture onto it. And so we basically start stacking it. I'm going to go displace again, and maybe we change it, press OK, double click, and you can see it keeps displacing it. And then we can just do it again. I'll Control F again and again, and it keeps just making it more grungy, more textured. Love that weathered look. It looks super amazing. So that's how you use the displacement map in Photoshop. If you want to see more tutorials just like this, click on this video here to watch more.